So today I actually tried a new challenge. This challenge is I'm drop shipping a free product for 1 week straight, completely free. And yo, you guys are probably wondering, yo, how you gonna make money drop shipping a free product? I'm like, bro, this is no damn charity, bro. I gotta make a profit somehow, right? Like this is what I'm in the game for. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make the shipping paid for. The point of basically of this thing is you gotta find a low ticket item, an item that's like worth like what, $15. You know what I mean? Like $15 and you start making a profit. And that $15 for that price of that product is gonna be your shipping. It's not that easy. There's a lot of things I had to learn through the process, but I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it because I think this actually could be the new meta. Especially when you like drop shipping low products, it's kind of easier to get away with it because all these because the best part about this whole thing is the customers have to put in their information like the name, address, phone number, all that to finally see how much it is to ship. And we want those customers who are like, it's only $10 for shipping. It's only $8 shipping. I can do that because I already wrote all that information. I already did all that work and everything, bro. Like at least I'll get my product now. You know what I mean, bro? Because we want to make them feel invested. That's why they're giving up their information. And let's say they do give up their information. They don't want the product. Boom. We hit them with that automation where it triggers that return to cart, as in they send them an email saying, hey, yo, you left something in your car, bro. You want to check it out? Like, you know what I mean, bro? Like, yo, there's a good method to this, bro. A method to my madness. You guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna see what's up. So the way you start is first hop on TikTok, scroll a little bit until you find the product, and that's literally what I did. And I ended up finding the product right over there. I kind of liked it. I'm like, yo, this is kind of interesting. So I basically just decided to go with it. So after I chose that product and kind of like justified it a little bit, then I created a Shopify store. So starting a Shopify store is pretty easy. All you do just hit right there, create your account, and you get started for $1 a month for 3 months. After I was done with that, basically just added all the product information that I wanted to add. So there was 2 versions, one for the bass and one for the guitar. They're kind of basically the same thing, but I wanted to give them like 2 options, you know what I mean? So you guys are probably wondering how you make it so like the shipping is free and you still gotta pay for it. I know some of y'all don't know this, but when you actually use other people's ads or videos to make your own ads, there's a chance of you getting permanently banned. And this is why I use ProjectEcom ads. If you don't know who ProjectEcom is, ProjectEcom is a top leading ad agency that makes proven to convert ads. My favorite package for them is their TikTok split testing package, and top of the VIP membership is literally $12 for 3 videos. With that, you also get 75% of all ad packages, 30% of UGC, and also 1-day delivery. That's literally the next day. No one else does this the next day. So if you're in a time crunch, I really highly recommend this. So all you have to do is just pick your package, place your order, submit your form, and you get the video literally the next day or your 1 day. You can also use my coupon ProjectEcom for an extra 15% off, or use the link in the description. Just go to your products right over here. Just hit your edit. So to make the product free, the first thing you have to do is just compare the price, as in $24, $10, whatever. Then you put it to 0. Also, I have this other product where it's like all 3 of my versions, but it's actually paid for. So if they want all 3, that's how they basically do it. Then next, all you have to do next is create demand for the product, as in make it available and on hand. But the thing with this one is you always got to come back later on whenever, it gets sales to bring the numbers back up. Or you can bring a higher number. I wanted to create urgency right away, so I made the numbers less than 10. So in the shipping zones, instead of making my standard shipping free, I just added a number, you know what I mean, standard, and ensured if they want to pay a little bit more, because sometimes they do. So the next is creating a website. Just basically make a website that looks nice and good, as in make sure your header is saying that you have stock clearance, as in basically making an excuse for sometimes that you have too many items, or you're discontinuing the item and you're making it for sale, you know what I mean, just something like that. That also made my reviews. Then this is my my urgency, as in hurry up, there's only this amount left. As you see over there, it's green, nothing but white, and the option pretty much just kind of working. Then just make everything, all your gifs, and also your reviews. I made my reviews nice and high so people think, hey man, there's no way this is a scam. Look at that. I got almost 10,000 ratings. You know what I mean, bro? Ain't no one's gonna beat me like that. They're gonna be like thinking, 10,000 people bought this shit. Ain't no way. I gotta get myself on that action type shit too. You know what I mean? So next, basically, I just created a Snapchat account. Just went to Snapchat, created it, and also made a TikTok as well. But when I was making the TikTok, unfortunately, I couldn't do it whatsoever. Basically, when I tried making a TikTok account inside TikTok ads, I basically added everything that I wanted to. But here's the thing with it. I got banned. Instantly banned. I got it said permanent ban. I tried appealing it because he's saying, yo, You have violated the rules. Something. Actually, let me just show you guys. So it says your account has been permanently suspended. You can log into your account, but your ads will not deliver. Then all it basically just gives you your appeal. And when I was making it, I actually added money inside, and actually for some reason they don't want to give my bread back. They banned me. I could not even use any of the money, and they still do not want to give it back. I have a ticket out, but they do not give a fuck whatsoever. They just basically give me automated. They said, we regret to inform you the account has been permanently suspended. Want strong behaviors or content posting patterns with known bad actors, punish strong identity, whatever, blah blah blah. And then I told them, yo, give me my refund since I loaded that account. They're like, no. And they just basically give me this message again. Then I say, I want a refund. But they're like, your account's been suspended for something, blah blah blah. Then they say that your balances when you get suspended are unrefundable. So I can't get the money back, and I'm banned. Then I'm just like, well, I'm wondering. I'm like, yo, are my other accounts gonna be banned too? Like, I might have to start using a VPN, new emails, new paper. Like, bro, I'm like, this is so fucking extra. I mean, I didn't even do anything. That's the crazy part about it. But I'm still gonna use TikTok. I'm still gonna use TikTok somehow or another. I'll figure it out, man. I'll figure it out. I know I'm not probably the first one to ever get banned on TikTok for dumb shit like this. So the next thing is Snapchat ads. Go ahead and create an ads account for your Snapchat and also a main account as well for your business. And when you're actually using Snapchat ads and when you put it in the side, the thing you actually get free 100 credits after you spend $25. So that's a good way. So your upfront is a little bit lower. You know what I mean? But then also, on the actual page of it, it also say if you spend $350, you get $375 in ad credit. Ad credit is basically just free money. You know what I mean, bro? As in, it's going to allow you to run everything for free, and you won't be basically spending your own money. The thing with Snapchat is actually it's going to take you a while to get your new conversions. I'm talking about that add to cart or like the conversions, like like that checkout conversions instead, like a conversion goal. But because for some reason it just takes a while. They do not want to give it to you right away. So I had to do it the long way, and that's why a good thing I had the credit, so I didn't have to spend as much amount of money. You know what I mean? So it took about $50 so I can get to the actual card. That's when I got my first sale ever. So it took up to like $50, but $25 was my money, and the rest of the $25 was their money. And basically that's when I got it. As you can see, my cost per result was pretty low, but it was actually doing it in clicks. So clicks is basically every single time they click on the ad and it goes to your website, and that's how they say, hey, it's working, let's keep doing that. So I just basically added like 4 ad variations, and I chose the best one that I wanted. And you see my CPC was pretty low. I ain't gonna lie with you. Look at that. I was running it at a 27 cents per click. But when I finally unlocked that conversion goal of add to cart, it made it so much better, and I was actually able to get a little bit more money from it. So after I got my add to cart conversion goal, as you see, my CPC became 39 cents now, as in they're finally running more things I actually want to. I want to find the actual customers that are actually going to spend money on my product, just like everybody else. So now let's get to it. How much money did I make? What's everything? Did everything go good? Everything bad? Let's actually figure it out right now. So in total, for how much money I made a total of $54.96. Yeah, I know, it's pretty disappointing, right? You're thinking a free product I would be selling like that, but like I said, I was getting a lot of people on my website, but in the end, I did not get that many people buying. The thing with it is I got 4 sales, but I technically did not get 4. I got 3 because one of them, Shopify said, yo, this may be a fraud, as in they're going to be charging back on their credit card. So technically I did not get 4, I got 3, but I'd consider it 4. You know what I mean? But that's only if you want to risk it of getting a chargeback and you just spending money and just basically giving the money out for free. You know what I mean? But I was like, fuck it. I'll just let Shopify have it. As you can see right over here, it says fraud analysis. It said medium. You may receive a chargeback on this order, so don't bother. All right, so now let's do the math of how much I made. In total, I actually made $54.96. But like I said, there was a fraud order, so technically I made $44.97. In total ads, I spent $33, and my domain was $10, so that's $46 right over there. So in total, my profit was negative $1.03. I lost $1.03 because of the whole thing. Is there a better way to do this? Yes, I do believe there's a better way, like where we can actually like implement it so that we actually get better results. Also picking in a better product. But I think the main thing was like I wanted to use TikTok though. I wanted to use TikTok to actually make the sales because the TikTok was going to be a little bit easier since it was mostly like a TikTok product, and I believe more people on TikTok would have bought it. But I was forced to use Snapchat for this challenge. Hopefully next time I do the same one, I can actually use TikTok. I'm able to figure out this whole TikTok situation so everything comes good. Cause this shit's stressing me fucking out, bro. I lost my fucking money. I put 20 bills in that bitch. So technically, I'm down negative $21. Because TikTok decided, yo, man, fuck you. I'm taking that money. I'm not giving it back to you. I'm like, bro, where's the customer support in this bitch? They just give me automated messages. I'm like, damn. But alright, man, yo, man, appreciate you guys for watching so much, yo. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, check out the other videos I have uploaded as well. I'll see you guys in the next experiment. I'll see you guys next time. Alright.
They won't feel comfortable until I'm reminding you who you think that you lying to. Is the shit that we rhyme to.